Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video and Audio. In a couple weeks, exactly 2 weeks, I'll be in Mexico City, and I'm going to be staying there at a very nice hotel. Courtesy of my wife. My wife has been asked to give a lecture down there on the subject of photography and art. So I'm going to be going down there, hanging out with her for about a week, and I'm very, very excited. But in typical Jesús Manuel Mena Garza fashion, if I'm going somewhere for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or just a week, I go very compact. I take only a few things. I take a backpack that can fit over the overhead bin, and that's pretty much it. And I put my laptop in there, some peripherals, my phone, my various cables, and my clothing, of course, and my other sundry items. But I'm only going to take 2 cameras this time. I'm going to be taking 1 camera specifically to take pictures of the landscapes, buildings, infrastructure, and doing street photography. I'm going to bring another camera, and it's specifically for this channel, YouTube, you know, walking and talking videos. So let me just pull out my walking and talking camera, and it's this one right here. Let me put it together. It's my DJI Pocket number 2. So I'm going to be walking and talking with that one. I'm going to be shooting 4K 24 and calling it good. And when I come back, I'll probably edit it in DaVinci Resolve and, 10, 15-minute videos, maybe a 7-minute video, and call it good. So I'll be visiting the various neighborhoods and touring the vicinity of the Distrito Federal, DF, Chilango country. They call themselves Chilangos in Mexico City. And I'm going to be taking photographs of my wife, some photographs of her, just a few photographs before she gives her speech and after the speech, and hobnobbing around and also going into the different neighborhoods. This is a rather upscale neighborhood we're going to be staying at, and it's going to be a lot of fun for yours truly. This is about the 50th time I've been in Mexico. I've been in Mexico many times through the 60s, 70s, and to the current timeline we're on. This is the other camera I'm going to be taking. It's my Nikon D800. It served me well. It's a 36 megapixel camera. Again, here it is, my Nikon D800 DSLR. It's not a mirrorless camera. It's not a contemporary design, but it takes very, very good photographs. I'm just going to put one lens on it. I'm not going to take a battery of lenses, zoom lenses and wide angles and stuff like that, telephotos. I'm just going to take it with its 50-1.4 to take those street photographs, those people photographs, portraits of my wife at the event in her nice outfit, etc., etc. So that's the plan. I'm only taking 2 cameras. My DJI Pocket number 2, not number 3. I wish I had number 3. And my Nikon D800 DSLR, not a mirrorless camera. I'm very excited. I'm going to be taking a lot of photographs. I'm going to be taking a lot of video, and I'm going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be visiting restaurants and museums, and of course the university where my wife's giving a lecture at the hall, etc., etc. It's going to be a lot of fun. I enjoy going to Mexico because I speak the language. I can communicate with these individuals and talk to them and understand them, So, hope you're having fun wherever you're at. In 2 weeks, 2 semanas, me voy al distrito. I always have a problem with that word. Distrito Federal, DF, Mexico City. A very large city. I think there's 13 million people. That's a lot of folk in Mexico City. So we're going to be pretty much in one neighborhood, and then we're going to go to where the museums are and then come back. And we'll probably be doing a lot of traveling via bus. Maybe I'll shoot some walking and talking videos on our travels from the hotel to the bus to the train to the museum. And hopefully it doesn't take too long. Hope you're doing fantastic. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Muchas gracias a todos ustedes. And don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. Gracias. Muchísimos gracias. And don't forget to leave your kind and friendly comments below. And check out my photography page, my JMM Garza.com photography page. From Fort Worth, Texas, soon to be in Mexico City, at least for a week. Not a long time. It's okay. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.